My father went from the Warsaw Ghetto I'm pretty sure he went to Treblinka first, and then he was shipped to Auschwitz. And I think he might have been in Auschwitz for the better part of 3 years. And remember, he was a kid. I mean, when he went into Auschwitz, he was maybe 16 or 17 years old. My father actually has the numbers on his arm, the numbers on his arm. My mother never did. They didn't really spend a lot of time, at least in front of the kids, talking about the war. And that actually changed for me when I was maybe 15, when, you know, I would sit with my father and we would have a few drinks together and try not to finish the bottle. And it would open him up into what he saw in the concentration camps. So it really went from, you know, believing in God, even though not being religious, to not believing in God, where he lost faith one day when he saw 3 rabbis lined up on a wall and machine gunned to death as they sang Hatikva. And he said, and he was 16 or 17 at the time. And he said, you know, where's God? It was brutal. Brutal, but yet wanting to know everything. Wanted to be like a sponge and take everything in. And the reality is that as much as I heard from my father, who was there, in my wildest dreams, I couldn't imagine, I couldn't fathom what it was like. Even at night, I'd think about it, but like, no, that really happened? How did you get through? It wasn't like overnight. It was years in the process. How did you make it through? And his always used to say to me, it wasn't my time. That was his line, it wasn't my time.